Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we are creating this cute little treat box for like a baby shower, or if you were going to do something cute for an event, you could do that and just change up the sentiment. And this is what I have here. It's very quick and easy to make. And then I will be using the Welcome Easter. I'm using the sentiment here and the baby chick here, or just the chick. I say baby because it's for a baby shower or baby event, or if you change up the set for your birthday, you can make it for a birthday. And I'm going to show you how to make it today. It's quite simple to make. You're going to need a 6-piece or 6-inch by 4-inch piece of paper. And I'm using DSP, but of course you could use either cardstock, regular cardstock, or you could use this as well. I have a pre-cut circle, and this circle will fit the image that I'm going to be stamping, which is the baby chick. A scrap Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to be using that because I'll be changing up the colors a tad bit. I'll be making this little chick pink today, and I'll be doing the background here of the Welcome to the World Little One and the Daffodil Delight, and another piece of Whisper Weight that'll fit that sentiment that we're going to be cutting out. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to make this without any tools except for a pencil and a ruler. And then you're going to need any form of stylus to kind of burnish the corners there that we're going to be doing. And then you'll need some sort of hole punch. What you're going to do with your DSP piece of paper, depending on the side that you're going to be using, you're going to fold it in half. And of course, if you chose to use tools, you could just score this at 3 inches because we're folding the 6-inch side. Okay, and once there, what you're going to do is measure the halfway point. And since I am working with inches, the halfway point is 2. Or you could just use this guy, and I'm using the thicker of the 2 ends. And the reason for that is because once I do this and connect the points, it'll create a bit of a folding line. And then we're going to do the same thing with the opposite end. Okay, and we're going to do that for both corners here. And if you wanted to make this box bigger or smaller, you could, as long as you changed up the measurements to fit your needs. Where's the middle score line? Okay, and there you have it. Okay, putting these two on the side, and all you're going to do is fold these flaps in, and you could burnish these lightly to make those better crease. Just don't go too overboard. This paper is slight more sensitive than cardstock since it is designer paper. Okay, and as you can see here now, you have a cute little box. So we're going to go ahead and take one end. Sorry, I have a band-aid. I cut myself this morning. And I try to cover it up. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hole punch. You can use whichever one that you have available to you and go down just a smidge, making sure that I graph both ends. And then we're going to do the same. Try to see the distance that I went down, making sure that these somewhat touch and align, and then go down again. Just enough so that it covers both. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on the side, and then before we finish, well, actually, let's finish our box, because I was going to say we can go on to the next step. So let's go ahead and tie this, and you'll be able to fit quite a few treats in there. I don't have any of them to put in this particular box, but if you are needing a demonstration of what will fit, please let me know, and I can certainly get my hands on some chocolate or sweets. Come on, baby. Okay. Let's do this end first. Let's do the same tails. Okay. So I folded these two and run it through. I'm going to fold these two and run it through the inside. It'll be a little bit tricky, but we can get it done. You know what? I need to cut this end. It's fraying and it's making it hard for me to loop it. Oh, it's not supposed to be this difficult. Let me do one at a time. This flap goes on the inside, and there we go. Okay. And let's see if this end will be enough to loop it into a cute little knot or bow, depending on what you want for the top of your box. In this case, I want tiny bow, just to make it look cute on the top. And there you have it. I think it's just made more difficult because of my band-aid. Okay, there you have it. Cute little bow on top. And now we're going to go ahead and decorate this portion here or this portion. I'm going to go ahead and use this portion since this has the openings of the flaps. We're going to decorate this. We'll make this the front of our box. So I'm going to put this ribbon aside. Now feel free to use any type of ribbon. This is from the Tea Room Ribbon Combo Pack. It was in the clearance rack. However, I'm not sure if it is still available right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take my circle, and I'm going to be using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and we're going to be stamping our sentiment as well as our baby check. Okay. Now it fits perfectly on there. Oops, closed it before I stamped my sentiment. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. Gives me enough room to cut around. So now we are ready. I'm going to put those on the side. I'm going to go ahead and do the cutting of the sentiment and the pasting of the Daffodil Delight, and then we'll come back to our baby check. So I will fast forward this portion. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and color our baby check, and I'm going to show you the blends I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and color my check in the dark petal pink, and then I'm going to do his cute little feet. I'm not quite sure what you call this, but this little fleck up here in the light Daffodil Delight. So let me go ahead and do the Daffodil Delight first. And it's basically just playing on the image that we used before. I did opposite colors on that one. Now, because these are cute images, you could definitely play around with the colors. You can even do a blue little chick and make it very cute and fun. If you were going to be using this for like a baby, like I am, like a baby favor. And this is just a sample of what you could use it for. Of course, you could, use the box, the sample of the box. Take that and, make it for like a bridal shower, a wedding, or just a birthday party. You could just change up the sentiment, and you could keep the images or just change them around. I mean, this is just a couple of ideas I'm throwing out there. And please let me know if these types of things are your thing, and I'd be happy to show more cute little boxes to give you ideas of how you can use them on the day-to-day for like birthdays, showers, or any occasion. Just let me know, and I'd be happy to go ahead and accommodate you. I'm going to go ahead and just stick one of the dimensionals. And these are the regular size. We do have minis. I just haven't gotten my hand on some of those just yet. And I'm going to put it just off to the side a tad bit. And then I'm going to adhere it flat, just giving it the sign a little bit of dimension, but not the whole thing. So I want to make sure that it properly is secured to the back, or to the front, sorry, the front of our box, our treat box. So it's perfect size to get that covered, so keep that in mind. If you don't mind if going off the sides, it's not going to be a problem, but if you're trying to design a box, keep in mind the size that you'll be using, or the sizes that you have available to you as far as tags and things. So this is the box we did today on camera. I just changed up the colors a tad bit. And this is the one that we did, or this is the one that I did before as a sample. So here are the two cute boxes. These are big enough that it'll fit a couple of kisses and a couple other candies. Probably those little pouches of M&Ms and the little bars will fit, maybe a couple, one or two. But as I said, go ahead and try it and let me know if you do. And I will go ahead and link my 24/7 Stampin' Up! Online store so that you're able to purchase the materials I've used today. The Welcome Easter stamp set will retire this year and is available until June 2nd or until supplies last. So get your hands on it if you haven't already. I have a couple of projects showing this stamp set, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I also will go ahead and put my email in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. You guys have a great day.